Okay. Here's Daddy doing sparklers because... Ella, come hold it.
Ella, here. Ella, here. Come hold it.
Because it's too dangerous. It's fire. We've taught her well. Naughty Daddy.
Molly do? Can Molly do one? Why?
Too Can Daddy do it? Can Ella do it? How come? Oh, it'll hurt your finger? Yeah. Oh no. Can you do that dance for Mom again? Papa will like this.